This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Tuesday, July 24th, 2007. The Dow Jones closed lower by more than 200 points as traders continued to express worries due to subprime problems and credit market difficulties. Disappointing earnings in Countrywide Financial and DuPont Chemicals attributed to the lower market. The Dow closed at 13,729, down by 215 points. The tech-heavy NASDAQ lost about 51 points at 2639, and the S&P 500 lost around 30.5 points at 1511. Stocks in the news: American Superconductor, which makes wires used in power lines, said it received a $70 million order for wind turbine electrical system from China-based Sinovel Wind Corp. The order calls for American Superconductor ship the customized electrical systems to Sinovel next year for use in its 1.5 megawatt wind energy systems. U.S. sales of video game hardware and software in June rose 31% from a year ago, driven by stronger demand for gaming consoles from all three major industry players. June sales of $1.1 billion were up about 35% from May, showing a strong momentum at the start of the traditionally slow summer season. Nokia announced that it has acquired substantially all assets of Twango. Twango provides a media sharing solution for organizing and sharing photos, videos, and other personal media. By acquiring Twango, Nokia will be able to offer people an easy way to share multimedia content through their desktop and mobile devices. In earnings news, AT&T posted a 61% increase in second quarter earnings on Tuesday, lifted primarily by its buyout of Bell South, but also aided by faster growth in its Internet Protocol service and by gains in wireless subscribers. AT&T said net income rose to $2.9 billion or 47 cents a share from $1.8 billion or 46 cents a share in the prior year's quarter. Wireless subscribers rose by 1.5 million to 63.7 million. American Express cardholders are ringing up more charges than they did a year ago, but they're also shrinking more payments. Net income rose to $1.06 billion in the second quarter, or 88 cents per share, from $945 million, or 76 cents per share, in the same period a year ago. Income from continuing operations also totaled 88 cents per share in the latest period, up from 78 cents per share a year ago. McDonald's said that it posted its second ever loss, its first in nearly 5 years, losing $711.7 million in the second quarter because of hefty one-time charge. For the quarter ending June 30th, the world's largest restaurant chain said its net income swung to a loss of 60 cents per share. That's compared to a second quarter profit of $834 million or 67 cents per share a year earlier. Lockheed Martin, the world's largest defense contractor, announced its second quarter earnings rose 34% on higher sales. The company said it earned $778 million or $1.82 per share, up from $580 million or $1.34 per share. Analysts expected $1.53 per share. United Airlines parent company UAL reported its biggest quarterly profit in 7 years. Net income for the April through June period amounted to $1.83 per share, up from $119 million or 93 cents per share in the same period a year earlier. Scheduled economic reports for Wednesday include the existing home sales for the month of June, Energy Department oil inventories for the week of July 20th, and the Fed Beige Book. Scheduled earnings reports for Wednesday include Xerox, New York Times, Colgate-Palmolive, GlaxoSmithKline, Anheuser-Busch, Honda, Boeing, P.F. Chang's China Bistro, ConocoPhillips, Apple Computer, E-Trade Financial, Linux International, Nintendo, Pulte Homes, T. Rowe Price, and Tractor Supply. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Tuesday, July 24th, 2007.